guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into this Valentine's Day look. So Valentine's Day is coming up. This will probably be uploaded on the 1st of February or somewhere around there. But anyway, whatever time you decide to watch this will be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I feel like on Valentine's Day, you should definitely dress up in something cute, but also have your makeup done. Like you wanna look like a princess on Valentine's Day. You wanna look real cute for whoever you're going out with, and you definitely wanna give that it girl vibe. So I think what I imagine in my head to be a Valentine's Day look is something sexy, but on the natural side, kind of little. Like, I know how crazy that sounds, but I want to do like a smoky wing liner and like a beat face, but that's what I mean by natural. Like beat face, neutral tones. So what we're going to do is a smoky wing liner and maybe a red lip. No, well, I'm wearing pink, so we're not gonna do a red lip. So we're definitely gonna do a smoky wing liner and a nude lip. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. And happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And if you're by yourself, you can definitely just take yourself out and look good. I hear 5-star hotel bars are really good to sit at. Sprinkle, sprinkle. So I don't know, that's just what I heard. So yeah, get into this look. I'm gonna start off this look with this pink setting spray. This is the Rose Water setting spray from MAC Cosmetics. Not sure if they still have this. Then I'm gonna go in next with my MAC Studio Moisture Cream. I think I'm gonna go repurchase my hyaluronic cream from Glow Recipe. I just love the way that this feels on my skin, and everything else feels heavy to me, so I have to go pick up a new one of that. Today I'm going to use my Glow Drops. Put that right on top of my moisturizer. And then after, I'm going to use my YSL primer, which I love and I cannot get enough of. It just makes my makeup look so smooth. It's honestly the best primer I ever used before this one. And I don't like, usually when I wear makeup, I start sweating while I'm doing it, and I get really like, you know, like really oily while I'm doing my makeup, or really sweaty, should I say. I get really sweaty while I'm doing my makeup, and this one, like, I don't know why, but it doesn't happen when I use this at all. Like if I use my e.l.f. primer, I automatically, when I start sweating, like the makeup starts slipping and sliding everywhere on me, but not the YSL. Brow pencil is Kosas. We're gonna use as much pink as we can in this tutorial. this shade right here. I don't like that shade. I'm gonna use the Patrick Ta palette, this shade right here. This is a lip liner from Makeup Forever called Limitless Brown. Makeup by Mario foundation. So I decided to take this shade right here and put it on my lid. Born This Way concealer in butterscotch and also golden beige. Fancy matchstick in the shade Espresso. She's Different by Patrick Ta. C4 from MAC. One Size powder in honey. NW50 in Studio Fix powder from MAC. Oh, she's different blush. Spray my face with Revolution Super Fix. For lips, it's going to be Chestnut Liner from the Dose of Colors, and the shade is called Catching Feeling. I'm gonna add a Buxom gloss, and this is in Peach Daiquiri. This is the finished look. How do we love it? I think it came out really gorgeous, and I would definitely wear this on a night out for any kind of date, and especially for Valentine's Day. So if you like videos like this and you want to see more videos from me, make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and make sure you thumbs up this video. See you in the next one.